I am happy when I work perfectly in my field. Now I've just started working. And the health department, I was a minister 13 years back. But that time the system was different. Now all technologies, system has been changed. Diseases also changed. So we have to plan and we have to work. And we have started working, and I'm sure that I visited at a meeting also. Our department have a teamwork of the representatives and the officers, and we'll work betterment of the society. All the programs we are doing, on what way we are doing, I'll roll it out within few days, so I'll come to know at that time.
Today also you had visited some of the hospitals. What was the update over there?
It is my duty to see how the hospital is running now, because we can't go every somewhere. And night is the best time to know all the real picture of this one, how clean it is, who all attend with sincerity, and what are the local problems, what are the problems of the doctors and staffs, and how are the patients are treated when they come at night, what are the attendants are doing. All this we get a picture. So at night I've been visiting, and this will continue, and I told my office also visit at nights.
What's your message for the health officers right now, because you're taking interaction now? Any warning for them? Any straight action?
No, see, I've told them I'll give my full support. We have to work as a teamwork. But I don't want to be on policies, on technical issues. I want to see the result. Ultimately, the public should get the benefit. Due to some reasons and some rules, this benefit shouldn't be denied to them. So they have said they'll look into it. Any issues, I'll take it and take
You're
forward.
also a tech savvy. You spoke about technology. How much of implementation do you think AI will have?
We have to see on which one AI is needed and is not needed. We'll look into it.
Thank you, sir.
Because before it was telemedicine, now it is mobile medicine. So we are more into mobile medicine now. How each and every individual is mobile, he can get the health benefits.